Good morning to everyone. Myself P. Ramaru. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of CSE in Gpcet-Cse-Java College of Engineering and Technology. Now I want to discuss about some programming concepts of Java language. So these are the topics I am going to discuss. The history of Java language. The evolution of any language may happen for two reasons. To adapt to the changing environment, the evolution of Java language should occur, and in order to make the improvements of older languages, in that case also the evolution of language should occur. Okay, to make the refinements of the language and to adopt the language for the changing environment, the evolution of the language should occur. So these are the two reasons for developing the Java language. The Java language was developed based on some advanced features of previous languages. At first, the language called B language, based on B language, the Dennis Rich had developed the language C language. Based on the C and C language, by taking the some concepts of C language, C++ language developed by James Gosling, and by taking the C and C++ concepts, the Java language was developed by James Gosling. First we will see about C language. So C language was developed by Dennis Rich in the year of 1970. So before C there are so many programming languages: Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal. But these languages are not structured and they created some type of some problems. So C is a well structured, high efficient and high level programming language that will replace the assembly language programming concepts. The designed and implemented and tested by the programs. After C language, C++ language was developed by Bijan Strostrup in the year of 1979. The main responsibility for creating this C++ language is to overcome the complexity that is there in the C language. The assembly languages, high-level languages, structured programming language and object-oriented programming languages. Object-oriented methodology that helps the organize complex programs through the use of inheritance, encapsulation and polymorphism. So C++ is extends the C with the object-oriented programming features. In 1990, Sun Microsystems started the project called Green Project. The main objective of this project is to produce a software for consumer electronics. So for this project, the team of James Gosling worked together and they have developed this code for different electronic devices in C++ for toasters, washing machines, VCRs, etc. So these are the topics I am going to discuss. So James Gosling and his team has developed the Java language in the year of 1991. The original motivation for developing the Java language is not internet, to develop a language which is platform independent. Okay, that is the main reason for developing the Java language. With internet, the urgent need for Java language is to generate the platform independent applications that can run on the internet. Java is not the replacement of C++, but Java language solve the other problems. That's the reason. So next to Java buzzwords. The important features of Java language are called the buzzwords here. So these are the some list of buzzwords are there. Now we will see what are the one. First we will see about C language. So C language was developed by Dennis Rich in the year of 1970. So before C there are so many programming languages: Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal. But these languages are not structured and they created some type of some problems. So C is a well structured, high efficient and high level programming language that will replace the assembly language programming concepts. the designed and implemented and tested by the program. Architectural neutral. So Java Virtual Machine provides a platform independent environment for the creation of bytecode, execution of bytecode. So if the bytecode is there, then we can execute that bytecode program on any architecture, whether it is Windows, Linux or any type of bit machine, we can execute that Java program. Independent and high performance, interpreted and high performance programming language. So if you have just the interpreter, then we can easily run any type of Java program on any system. Okay, so if you don't have the interpreter, if the Java is compiled language, then we cannot execute the Java programs on different environments. So because of the interpreted language, we are able to execute the Java program in different environments. Like Java language is high performance language. It is high performance language. Why? Because the code is already highly optimized, so it will take very less amount of time in order to execute, and because of the just-in-time compiler, it can be executed in very fastly. Java language is distributed language, so we can able to access any files over the internet by using any Java program. The Java program is also supports the concept of RMI, remote method invocation. We can execute other methods that are there in other systems over a LAN or a network. Next, dynamic programming. So Java is a dynamic programming, so it can resolve which method should be called based on the runtime object. So the type of the method that we are going to execute will be identified at the time of execution based on the object type. So that's why that Java language is called dynamic language, and it is a very secure language. So the secure language means that any type of if you want to access any type of applet program, that applet program should be downloaded in our browser. Before downloading that one, if there is error in that applet, it will be scanned by using firewall, then it will be blocked if the error is present. Suppose another thing, when the .exe file contains or the .obj file contains any virus program, that virus program should go to the processor through the JVM. So our JVM will be created in such a way that it will block the unnecessary programs, or malicious programs should be blocked before sending them to the processor. Java is high portable language. If you run this create the .obj file in one system, that obj file can be executed on any environment if you have the Java runtime environment. So it is very easy to run the applications over internet or any standalone applications. So these are the some important features of Java language.